Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam jumpa diucapkan kepada seluruh kawan-kawan Mata Ali Pers. Nah, kali ini kita akan melihat nih, bule-bule di sana tercengang sampai mereka membandingkan dengan negara mereka sendiri. Kenapa sih orang Indonesia ini terlihat begitu bahagia tanpa beban? Sedangkan mereka di negaranya yang udah maju, yang udah modern, terlihat begitu menanggung beban. Ada sesuatu, terlalu stres, banyak pikiran di luar sana. Mereka aneh, merasa aneh akan hal itu. Nah, bagaimana videonya? Mari kita saksikan.
Well, I found more often than not, what could have turned into stress in the US can just be an adventure here. And the reason mundane tasks turn into adventure is that you find Indonesians helping you overcome whatever problem you've encountered. Now, let's talk about some of the biggest cultural differences between Indonesia and the US. I'm sure you already know that these two countries have cultures that are very different from each other. The individualistic culture of America emphasizes personal freedom, independence, and self-reliance. These are considered positive traits in the US, and success is often defined by individual achievement. Personal identity and individual rights are highly valued, and decisions are frequently made based on personal preferences rather than group unity. In contrast, Indonesian culture focuses on togetherness, harmony, and social bonding. Family and community relationships are central, and people are expected to consider the well-being of the group before their own individual desires.
I live in Indonesia right now, and it's crazy how much your perspective changes when you move to a country like this. Because in the Western world, you see people that have everything that they could ever wish for. They have a nice house, they have a pantry full of food, yet they're unhappy and ungrateful for their lives. Yet there are people who are living here in Indonesia who literally live in huts with barely enough money to provide for their families, yet they're happier than most of the people in the Western world. So yes, I think perspective is very important, and I think sometimes it takes seeing the other side of the
perbedaan
cube to gain
persepsi
that
antara
perspective.
orang luar sana dengan orang Indonesia ini.
I
Orang
have an
Indonesia
idea
terlihat
today
lebih bahagia.
because
Nah, ini berikutnya
Madin
nih.
that I met yesterday, who gave me 50,000, he really inspired me. And since it is Ramadan, I was thinking I want to give something back as well. Selamat pagi, Pak. Ada Pertamax? Oke, Pak. Nama saya Christian Hansen. Hari ini saya mau kasih
Christian
sedekah.
Hansen.
Luckily it's busy this morning, so a lot of people they want to refill gas.
And so many people
Ditraktir orang
showed
pertama
up.
semua.
So with a budget of
Gara-gara
9
dia
million
dikasih
rupiah,
50.000
I
sama
was
Pak
able to give
Martin
out 670 liters of
ketika dia
Pertamax.
berpetualang. Pada senyum semua tuh.
A valuable lesson from an old friend. You get some
Tuh
help,
rame.
you pay it forward.
Kalau kamu dapat bantuan jangan lupa bantu orang lain juga.
Papa mau
Nah
kasih
ini
untuk
saat dia dibantu oleh Pak
Yeah. So
Martin
guys,
kemarin
just as
nih.
I was standing here and changing the battery in the drone, then Papa, siapa
Pak
namanya?
Martin.
Pak Madin.
Yeah.
Pak Madin, he just came by and he was bringing 50,000. I couldn't understand what it was for. Tapi Papa mau kasih ini untuk bensin.
Iya iya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ya.
Terima. So he gave me 50,000 for bensin. I already tried to say like no thanks, he really don't have to, but so kind of him. It's actually a lot to give. Terima kasih banyak ya Pak.
Keikhlasan seperti
Martin,
itu di
sampai
Indonesia
ketemu
ini
lagi
yang
ya.
nggak ada obatnya. Padahal lihat kita betapa
Classic
sederhananya Pak
example
Martin.
of traveling in Indonesia. Good people everywhere.
Ciao, coba ciao. Ciao. Halo.
Nah ini kalau tidak salah bule Itali nih.
Come stai?
Tapi banyak orang yang tertarik belajar bahasa Inggris.
Come stai?
Come
Bahasa
stai?
Itali tuh, bahasa Itali.
Halo, come stai?
Anak sekolah.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao,
Karena
come
bule ini
stai?
cukup ramah juga nih.
Nanti kita
Suaminya orang Indonesia.
ayo kita bawa kelas yang ke sekarang gua Ayo kita catat deh. Ayo kita catat.
Dia catat namanya kamu biar nggak lupa.
Tulis. Catat.
Oke. Nanti kita
Di
follow.
buku sekolah.
Nanti dicatat namanya.
Danu Juli.
Danu and Julie. Ketika para bule ikut gotong royong bersama warga Baduy. Sebenarnya kalau ada wadah gotong royong ini, bule ini mau dia gotong royong. Cuma mungkin di negaranya itu hal seperti ini nggak ada. Jadi dia kita nggak nampak bule-bule itu guru. Nih, bule Australia ikut membantu memotong pohon yang tumbang di pantai. Nah, ini reaksi tetangga Jepang saat kerja bakti sambil nyetel dangdut koplo. Campur penasaran dengan senang dia, tetangga ini melihat itu. Kompaknya orang Indonesia bergotong royong walaupun di Jepang sana. Ini suaminya ikut acara di kampungnya.
Gue ikut
Lagi-lagi.
Jumat bersih bersama masyarakat Toraja, terutama warga
Ikut
di
guru.
Pabesenas. Setelah diterjang
Tunggu
banjir,
setelah banjir nih. Nah itu. Mau bolehnya angkat-angkat tuh. Nah, karena sesungguhnya kebersamaan itu adalah harta yang paling berharga saat kita hidup di dunia ini. Nggak bisa kita sendiri individualistik itu nggak mau tuh, nggak bisa. Ya, demikian aja video kita kali ini. Semoga bermanfaat. Sampai jumpa lain waktu. Mohon maaf bila ada salah kata. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.